Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back at you guys with another video, and today I have a gel polish review for you guys. So Madam Glam was kind enough to reach out to me and send me 3 of their gel polishes as well as a base coat and a top coat. So I have it right here. The packaging is right here, and guys, it's safe to say that I'm like low-key obsessed. So if you guys want to see my review and my thoughts and opinion on this gel polish from Madam Glam New York, and then keep on watching. But before we get on with the video, I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below. So without further ado, let's get on with the video, guys. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well with you guys. So today's video is a little different from what I normally do. I do not do a lot of nail tutorials or anything nails in my YouTube channel. Reason why is that I don't know, I feel so insecure with doing nails on camera. I'm not the best precise polish applicator type of girl, but I do my nails a lot on my own. I don't know if you guys remember this, but a few videos back I did mention that I'm gonna take a break from the nail salon and actually do my nails on my own. So I've been doing my nails on my own for the past, I would say, 5 months. And yeah, I love it. I save a lot of money, and honestly, doing your nails, well, doing my nails is a little bit like my me time. It's like very therapeutic and stuff like that. So I've been really like, you know, doing my nails. And Madam Glam reached out to me asking me to review and, you know, pretty much try out their polishes, their gel polishes. I was like, sure, why not? That's like, you know, my little pastime, you know, doing my nails on my own. So when they reached out to me, I was like, I will definitely check out your gel polishes because I am really getting into nails. So so it was like almost like it came in the right time, them reaching out to me. So thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me your gel polishes. So when they sent me the package, it came in this box right here, which is really nice and sleek. So it looks like this right here, black and gold, very chic. When you open it, it has pink foams to protect your polish from travel, which I really appreciate. So if you guys do decide to order from them, they make sure that the polishes are secure, which I truly appreciate it. And not only that, but these polishes are heavy duty. They feel so like luxe and luxurious, kind of like you can't really go wrong. It's like super heavy and it's thick, so I don't think it would break anyways, but they have the foam anyways to, you know, protect your products. When you go on the website, they always update their website with a lot of different colors and shades, so you have so many to choose from. It's almost like it's overwhelming. I'm just like, oh my god, what color to pick? I like this one, I like that one, I like this one. So it's overwhelming in a good way. They're always updating their website with new shades. There's always different type of lines. There's always sales going on in their website as well. I think there's one going on right now, so you should definitely check it out. I do have a discount code, Sophia30. I'll leave it in the screen, and I will leave a link for you guys if you decide to try the gel polishes. One thing I like about this company and this brand is that it's cruelty free. The polishes are vegan. They are certified in vegan.org. So yeah, they're the real deal. Like, it's definitely a vegan line, so it doesn't have all these types of chemicals. So it's definitely healthy for your nails as well. And I know there's a lot of people, I'm in that group of people where I try not to use polishes that have a lot of chemicals in it. That's just my preference, and this definitely doesn't, because like I said, it's vegan and cruelty free, which is amazing. So they sent me the box, and they sent me 3 colors. I'm gonna go over the colors with you guys. So I have Perfect Pink right here. Then you have Honeydew. I remember when I was in hair school, I used to rock it all the time, like colors like this on my nails. So when I saw Honeydew, I was like, you know what, it brought me back to my cosmetology days. Let me just try it. Really like this color. And then I chose First Base, and it looks like this, and I have it on my nails right now, guys. And guys, this color is absolutely stunning. Honestly, when I bought it, I don't know what, I wasn't expecting it to be this light, but I'm so happy that it is. It's almost like a light periwinkle type color, or a light lilac color. Very, very soft, very, very pretty. It looks really pretty. Like I could see myself wearing this on, I don't know, like weddings, not my wedding child, but like, you know, if I was like a bridesmaid or something, like this would be on my nails. This would look really pretty on your toes as well. I'm really happy that I got this color. I think out of the three, First Base is like my favorite color, and that's the color that I have in today's video. They did send me a base coat and a top coat. So in the clip that you're gonna see is me already have my nails already formed in the polygel. I was gonna record it for you guys, but honestly I'm just not on that level where I could like record me doing polygel. Maybe one day, maybe I'll be confident enough to, like, you know, show you guys how you know, how I do my polygel. I'm still learning, but I will leave in the description box down below some of the people that I watch currently that I am just, you know, soaking in information on how to do polygel, because I really like polygel and it lasts long, it makes your nails strong, blah blah blah. So in the clip you see me already my polygel on. That's what I'm saying. When you do your gel polishes, you want to make sure that your nails are completely dry. Make sure that your cuticles are pushed back. You want to make sure that your cuticles are cut, your nails are dry. I would recommend to use a dehydrator. I like using dehydrators. Right now I'm using one from Kiss. I will probably leave a picture of it in the screen or something like that. And then afterwards you're going to put the base coat on each nails, and then you're gonna cure it. Once you cure it, you want to put your color of choice. In this case I use First Base, which is absolutely stunning, guys. It's like one of my favorite nail polishes that I own. Keep looking at it right now and I'm just like, oh, so cute. As you see in the clip, I'm using the mini UV light. The UV light is amazing. They're so cute and it works wonders. You just press the little button in the center. Let me just show you guys. So this is how it looks like right here, and then it has like a little button right here. So see how cute this is, and it folds right back up, so you know, it keeps it flat, so you could definitely put it in your bag. And what it does, it cures for 60 seconds. There's no timer. Like the big one has like 30, 60, and 90 seconds on the bigger one. This one cures for 60, and all you really need is 60 seconds, honestly, to cure your gel manicure. So that's what it does. So you have 60 seconds to use this underneath one hand and you get to go. And then you just put your top coat on, you cure for 60 seconds, and then that's it. And then afterwards you just take, I don't use acetone to take off the stickiness that you have after, because gel gets sticky, like a sticky residue. I use alcohol. I don't know why, it's just a preference that I use. I just want to use alcohol. You could use acetone if you want, it's no big difference. I just like using alcohol. So I use alcohol, and then I take a little cotton pad or a little paper, and then I just rub each fingers, and then I use my oil. So the oil that I've been using is the OPI oil pen. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I really enjoyed this. It's just like my vibe. It's very nice and simple and simplistic. I'm so happy I picked this color, and I'm so happy that Glam sent me these beautiful nail polishes that I can't wait to keep playing with. What color do you guys think I should get? I'm thinking yellow, and I'm thinking like a neon green or something. I want some color before fall hits, because we're about to hit fall. So tell me what color you think I should get, and who knows, maybe it will be in the next video. Who knows? So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye, guys.